Dear investors and businessmen, today I would like to answer a question most people like to ask about greenhouse farming. What is a greenhouse and what are the benefits of growing crops in a greenhouse? Well, to me, a greenhouse is a climate-smart structure that allows you to control the growing conditions of your crops, such as weather, pests, and diseases. The climate plays the biggest role in agriculture, with all the changes of the climate such as the humidity, the coldness. All of that will attract different pests and diseases to your crops. So a greenhouse will help you control these weather conditions. Greenhouse farming has become very popular all over the world. It all started in the 13th century, being a way to satisfy the nutritional demands of royalty. Back then, people also used this as a way to grow medicinal plants. However, the science of greenhouse growing has expanded to universities in order for researchers to develop their studies. Nowadays, due to advancement of technology in the agricultural industry, the use of greenhouse farming is accessible to everyone. So, here are the benefits to grow crops in a greenhouse. Number 1, increased production. Greenhouse farming can increase crop production because you can create the optimal climate conditions needed for plant growth and grow more plants per square foot than growing crops in an open field. Number 2, minimizing production risks. Being in an enclosed space prevents crops from suffering damage from extreme climate-related events such as sudden increases or drops in temperature. It can also keep crops away from birds and other animals that may harm the crops. Number 3, maximizing profits. Studies suggest that profits per crop per square foot can be 2 to 3 times as big when executing greenhouse farming instead of open field agriculture, when combining the practice with other approaches such as hydroponics. By utilizing resources more efficiently, you create less waste, which can translate into bigger profits. Number 4, disease and pest prevention. Greenhouses can prevent problems such as pests as well as provide more control against other diseases. The enclosed space can be restricted to only the essential stuff, and fewer people going in and out means lesser risk of bringing unwanted elements close to the crops. It also allows you to isolate problems should they occur. Moving diseased or infected plants away from the rest of the crops can save your harvest. Number 5, year-round growing. A greenhouse is a relatively independent climate-controlled space, allowing the growing crops all year round instead of just seasonally. Even in the harsh winter cold or intense summer heat, high-quality crops can be grown, provided you have the necessary technology to create the right climate inside the greenhouse. Number 6, increased stability and security. Since outside conditions don't necessarily impact plants or workers, the greenhouse's protected environment provides a safe and stable condition. With so many structural, environmental, and economical benefits associated with greenhouse farming, it's no wonder that it has become so popular. There are home operations as well as huge commercial processors of greenhouse produce. The potential for growth seems to be limitless. Those in favor of this type of farming say that greenhouse produce has a longer shelf life because it is picked when it rain ripe and at its peak. Greenhouse farming offers many benefits compared to traditional farming, including less pollution, less energy consumption, and more resource conservation. Greenhouses also allow for greater crop flexibility as plants can be grown year-round with optimal climate control settings. Combined with advances in technology, the greenhouse farm of the future could help us meet our food needs while reducing our negative impact on the planet. To wrap up, if you are a farmer, greenhouse farming may be an option to consider in order to make the most of your income and help preserve the environment at the same time. There are definitely some challenges, including high startup costs and regulation, but if you're considering a career in sustainable agriculture, there is no better place than greenhouse farming. Overall, greenhouse farming is a cost-effective and eco-friendly option for those looking forward to growing their own vegetables and herbs. For those who have access to enough space and the capital for a greenhouse, this could be your answer to growing your favorite vegetables without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.